Students, today I'm going to explain to you how to use the Destiny system to check books in and out, to renew books, and to pay or erase fines. These are tasks you will perform on a daily basis. To access Destiny, you need to click on the Welcome to Reeths-Puffer link in the toolbar. At this next screen, you're going to click on Reeths-Puffer High School to access the high school system. In order to log in, you need to click on this login link in the upper right of the screen. You can log in either using your student number and birth date, or you can use the generic account that I have created for student assistance. That username is LMC Students, actually LMC Student, and the password is Student Aid, and then I'm going to click on Login. All right, we're going to be looking at the circulation function, so you need to click on the circulation tab. Notice that once I've clicked on the circulation tab, it turns green. That's how you can tell that a particular function is active. The functions that you're going to need to perform are here on the left side of the screen, and those are the ones that we're going to be looking at today. The first function that we're going to look at is the checkout function. In order to check out a book, you need to either enter the student's student number, or you can search for the student's name. All right, I'm going to search for the last name of Smith. And John Smith is the student I'm going to use for this particular example. All right, John wants to check out a book. All right, he wants to check out a book about skateboarding. Now, typically what I would do is I would use the handheld scanner, and I would scan the barcode that's located on the front of the book. But since I can't demonstrate that with this, I'm just going to type in the number of the barcode on the front of the book. So 26716, and I can just click on Go. And now you will see that John has checked out the complete snowboarder. All right, you'll also see looking over here that it is due on the 22nd of April. Okay, let's pretend that later in the day John comes back and he decides that this isn't the book that he wants. So we need to check in John's book. Notice that I clicked on the check-in option on the left side of the screen. Again, typically what I would do is use the handheld scanner. I would scan the barcode on the book and it would check it in. For this example, I'll type in the number of the book. All right, and notice now that it says most recently checked in, the complete snowboarder. So John no longer has this book checked out. It's been checked in. Okay, the next thing we're going to look at is how to renew a book. There actually are two ways to renew a book. If a student has the book with him or her, you can click on this renew function, and then again scan the barcode of the book, or actually type it in. If a student does not have the book with them, then you need to access that student's actual account. I'm clicking reset to clear the screen here. That's always a good thing to do. All right, the student standing in front of me who needs to have her book checked in is Caitlin Smith, and her student number is 729985. So I'm going to type that in to bring up Caitlin's account. All right, and I can see looking at this that her book is overdue, and I know that because the due date is red. Over here, if I look on the right, there is a button to renew that book. So I'm going to click on Renew, and Caitlin's book is going to be renewed, and she's going to be assessed a fine because of that. If Caitlin had multiple books out, I would have been able to renew them all with one click on the Renew button. Okay, so now let's say that Caitlin wants to pay that fine of 20 cents. We're going to click over here where it says Fines. All right, and you can see here it shows the fine, shows what it is. I have two ways that I can do this. Since this is Caitlin's only fine, I can click on the trash can, and it'll say yes. Do I want to delete that fine? All right, I'm going to say no a second just so I can show you the other way. Or I can type in a dollar amount right here. I could type in the 0.20 for the 20 cents and click update. If Caitlin had multiple fines and she was only going to pay part of them, I could type in 75 cents and the remaining amount that she owed would still be left there. So I'm going to just go ahead and click update. And now you can see that Caitlin doesn't have any fines any longer. All right, so there you have it. You have a quick overview of the 4 main processes for which you'll be using Destiny Library Manager: check out, check in, renew, and fines.